blow. Watch this big blow. Got more bubble juice on there? Ooh, good job.
I did.
Good job. Thank you so much. Now it's time to play Michael's game. And, okay, Michael wants to bell. Which instrument do you want, Elise? Here, Michael, I'll show you how to play. Sit down. Which one do you want, Elise? You want the drum or the xylophone? This?
I want this
This?
one. I want this one.
Which instrument do you want out of there?
I want this one.
Here you go, Michael. You want a drum too? Okay. Alright, you guys can play in a band. Make some music, Elise.
I just want to be
Here. Turn towards Elise. Turn towards Elise so you guys can see each other. You can see each other's
What
faces.
is this? What is this?
I don't know, that's Elise. I bet she knows. Okay, you guys put on a musical show for me. Yeah, you guys do a fantastic music show. Oh, okay. So Michael, I bet there's another pair you can share with him.
Yeah, you do the drum.
No, I'm just going to watch you guys.
No, you do the drum and I'll do this.
Okay. What instrument is Elise going to play?
Oh.
All of them? That's a lot. You play the flute. Oh, Michael. Well, that's so nice of you to share all your instruments with Michael, Elise.